If your XJS brake light comes on despite sufficient fluid in the reservoir, it's likely it's a common issue as the simple cork float is waterlogged and not floating at the correct level. Instead of buying a new $300 reservoir, try this cost-effective solution. 1. Disconnect wires on the reservoir's top and unscrew the cap. Now you can work on it. 2. Remove the aluminum cylinder. It's a light press fit, exposing the cork located on a sliding wire. 3. Cut the cork in half longitudinally. This will reveal a couple of tiny brass washers holding it in place at the top and bottom of the wire. 4. You can replace the cork with a suitable one from a wine bottle. Cut to the same length as the original. 5. File down the flats on the wire's end so you can remove the bottom washer, and drill a 1/16 inch hole down the length of the cork. 6. Slide the cork back on the wire, ensuring the top washer locates it correctly. 7. Reassemble with the end tiny washer in position, ensuring the cork is secure. 8. Squeeze the end of the wire again so that the tiny washer would not slide off. 9. Slide the aluminum cover over, ensuring the cork moves freely in the cylinder, and screw the assembly back on the reservoir. 10. Reconnect wires and test. The light should go out. You have just saved $300. But if it doesn't, you may have other issues that need investigation. Don't take chances with your brakes. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to Curious Jag.